So what I'm going to do next, let me push this one here a bit, and then let me go back here, right? So on the x-axis I have variance over there, right? You can also add the variance percentage if you want. You can add it to it, right? The variance percentage, and then here you can easily drill down. Okay, you can easily drill down to see how it is, right? For all the the subcategories. Okay, you can just see based on the variance and the variance percentage. Okay, you can see them like that. All right, now instead of the bar chart, I'm just going to, let me drill up, right? Let me try and drill up. Okay, good. Now instead of this bar chart, I'm going to copy it, right? I'm going to copy it. Now this time we want to do let me position this one here, and let's see, let me push this one up a bit, push this one up a bit. I want to place one more down here, so let's copy this one, Control C and Control V, right? And this time I'm gonna make it let me do this. Okay, better. All right, now this time I'm going to change this one, right? I'm gonna minimize this a bit so that it will fit over here, right? It will fit here for me, and this one also. I'm just gonna minimize it a bit. All right, okay, so that this one will fit over here for me, and this one, let me minimize you also. Now instead of this one being bar chart, I'm just gonna choose line chart. Okay, and then I'm going to go here and then get rid of the variance, and instead of the category and subcategory, I'm going to push in month, right? I'm going to push in the month. So let me close this one, and then I'll go to calendar. Let me close all these so that I'll have space over here. I'm going to go to calendar, and then I'm going to bring in my month, right? So let me put a month over here. Great. So now I can see instead of the variance, right? Let me actually do it this way, right? Instead of the variance, let me put say budget and sales over here, right? So let me get rid of this one, and let me bring in let me collapse them. Let me bring in the budget, right? Bring in the budget, and also bring in the sales, right? That's good. So that I'll have it like this. So this one makes more sense, right? Budget and sales by month. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, I mean, you can format this one also just like we saw earlier on, right? You can go to the format and then do all those formatting things if you want, right? Now you see how gradually we are building the dashboard. I'm gonna copy this one again. In fact, you can even do it up here, right? You copy and then you paste. Okay, just like that. You can also do it up there, right? So I'm gonna paste this one here. Okay, and then I want to change this one to column chart. All right, I'm gonna click on this column chart over here, right? That's it. Okay, now see how nice it is over here. I want it to align perfectly, right? You see the red line trying to mark it for you, then you see if it is aligned or not, right? So now you see how it is. Right, we have budget and sales. We can leave this one, or we can change this one to something else to see some other different data. Okay, so for instance, instead of let's go here, instead of say budget and sales, I'm gonna change it to say variance, right? Let me put variance here and see. All right, great. All right, and you can see this variance is in millions, right? So if we have negative 0.5 million, it means that that's how much we lost. Okay, that's how much we lost. We can also add the variance percentage if you want, right? You can add the variance percentage. Okay, you can add it over here. So variance and variance percentage by month. Remember, this variance simply means the difference between sales and budget. Okay, and the variance percentage simply means the percentage of change, right, between sales and budget. Okay, so this is not the variance that you know from your statistics class. Okay, that's not that one. So we just calculated this one. If you remember, we just calculated it on this table, right? Variance and variance percentage, right? So if you click on variance, you will see, or maybe if you click it over here, right, you see the formula. It was just a difference between the budget and sales. So don't forget that. All right. So if we see that, we know the loss that went on over here, right? Okay.